Hi everyone, I am Srinivasan Rajendran. Today we are going to discuss a topic called unformatted input output statements. As we discussed earlier, like what is input output statement and what is the difference between formatted input output statement and unformatted input output statements. So if you want to know about the formatted input output statement, just go back to my previous video and see what is the formatted input and output statements. Okay, today we are going to discuss about unformatted input output statements. The unformatted input output statements will work only on the character data type. As I said earlier, the name itself explaining clearly that you are not able to format any options or anything when you print. Okay, so that's why formatting is not possible. That is what unformatted. Okay, so that's why if the formatting is not possible, then no need of format specifier can be used in the input and output statements. Okay, let me discuss about the input statement, unformatted input statement. The examples are getch. Okay, it reads alphanumeric, which means alphabets along with numbers. Okay, alphanumeric characters from the keyboard. This getch will works on the console window. Console window, what I am trying to say, you write the code in one part and you save it as .c, and then you can run it on the turbo C compiler, and if you press any key it will exit from the console window. That's why if you read any characters from the keyboard, it will exit of the console window. Okay, but people have not used getch nowadays. Okay, it is get the character from the keyboard. Getchar, there is a difference between getch and getchar. Reach one character at a time till enter key is pressed. Okay, it reads only one character, but if you press enter, that whatever the character is get, that will be stored somewhere. We'll see with an example. And gets. Okay, so gets, which also tells about, it reads the string, it gets the string from the keyboard until enter key is pressed. It is gets, so get the string. So getch, getchar, gets, and getche is there. That is also work in the console window. Whatever the character you pressed in the keyboard, that character is echoed. What you pressed, that will be repeated. Okay, but those are input statement. Get. Okay, output statement, as similar to input statement, getch, putchar is there. Put character, it prints one character at a time. Puts, it prints a string to a output. Okay, so getch, putchar, you just leave it, but getchar, putchar and gets, puts, we'll see about an example. Okay, just look at this example. Okay, so in this example what I am doing, the first line is a header file followed by main function, and I am declaring a one variable. The variable name is ch and the type of the variable name is char. Okay, what I am going to do, under this variable name I am getting a character, so that character will be stored. So this is a input statement. Okay, this is input, and putchar, it prints, that's why it is an output statement. Now I am just going to execute this program. I am going to, as I said, I am continuously typing till enter key is pressed. But sir, you have typed in so many years, but it will take only 1 year, because it takes only one character at a time. But the meaning is you can type as many of characters, but until enter key is pressed, it will exit. Okay, so that is the meaning. But the thing is, you have to give one character. Okay, you have to give one character, and if you press enter, that character is printing. So the line number 6 tells it gets the character and store it in the variable called ch, and line number 7 it print the character. Okay, And we have seen